Stress Management Part 2, focusing on some tools for your success, time management and organization, and relaxation and stress reduction skills. Presented by the University of North Georgia's Office of Student Counseling. Having good time management and organization are key to success in college. Some tips on ways to organize and manage your time. Prioritize your day. At the end of the day, determine what you need to do the next day. List your tasks from most important to least important for the day. Review your list in the morning and determine if anything needs to be added. Start with the first task on the list and do it, and then continue through the tasks. At the end of the day, add any unfinished tasks to the next day and prioritize your next day. Establish routines. Some examples might be establishing consistent wake-up and bedtimes, coming up with and determining the best place and time for you to study, making sure that you factor in time to exercise, for self-care, for socialization, for quiet time, figuring out what the best routine is for you to help you be your most productive. Keep a calendar. Use only one calendar, but you choose whether it's paper, electronic, or if it's a day planner. Add appointments, commitments, due dates for assignments and projects and exams. And it may even help to use different colors for different activities. The Wheel of Life is a tool that can help you evaluate where you are currently and help you determine how to prioritize and balance your time and energy. Time wasters can be a big hurdle and can come in many different forms. Social media is one of the biggest time wasters for professionals and college students. Wasting time can cause us to miss project deadlines or to produce low-quality work, and can even disrupt our work-life balance. Be mindful of the things that cause you to waste time. Set goals, short-term and long-term. But when you're setting goals, make sure you set SMART goals, meaning that they are specific, that they are measurable, that they are attainable, that they are relevant, and that they are time-bound. Multitasking lowers productivity. You may feel like you're accomplishing more, but multitasking causes us to divide our attention. Trying to focus on more than one thing causes a 40% drop in productivity. A basic concept to help combat the idea that we should multitask is, how do you eat an elephant? The answer to this basic concept is one bite at a time. Meaning, no matter how big the task is, you do one thing at a time. Ask yourself, what is it that I need to do right now? And then do that. And then when you are finished with that, you ask yourself, what is it that I need to do right now? And then do that. And then keep doing that. Next, we will discuss relaxation and stress reduction skills. Let's explore some ways that you can calm your body to calm your mind. Downregulating is shifting your nervous system from a sympathetic, the fight or flight state, to a parasympathetic, rest and digest state, which can help manage stress. Calming your body to calm your mind. One way to do this is through square breathing. In square breathing, you imagine a square in front of you, and you breathe along with it. For instance, you would inhale for a count of 4 and hold that for a count of 4 and then you exhale for a count of 4. Hold that for a count of 4, and inhale for a count of 4 again. And you would repeat this process for several times. Another way to do this is through the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique. With this technique, you would look around and describe 5 things that you can see to yourself. And then you would describe 4 things that you can feel to yourself, 3 things that you can hear, 2 things that you can smell, and 1 thing that you can taste. This technique helps you to get out of your head and more into your body and more into the present moment. Another way to do this is through progressive muscle relaxation. In this technique, you focus on your breathing, taking slow, deep breaths, and then you select a muscle group, maybe your hands and shoulders, and you tense those muscles while you take a deep breath, and you hold the tension for a few seconds, and then as you exhale, you release the tension in the muscle. And then you move on to the next muscle group and repeat this process. Again, this technique helps you calm your body to calm your mind. Confidence can help us excel in life, but are you born with confidence? You are not born with confidence. You develop confidence by doing things. It is not a precursor, but a result. So do things. This was brought to you by the University of North Georgia's Office of Student Counseling. Please reach out to our office for support and resources. Our Live Well UNG initiative can help you find resources to support living well. It can be found on our website, or you can scan the QR code here.